Hello, can you hear me? Hello, 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 can you hear me? Students, hello, hello, yes. Good evening, my dear students. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಒನ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ಸ್. Yes, good evening, my dear students. Welcome you all. Good evening, Arpita. Okay, so let us continue. In the chapter, some basic concepts in chemistry, you note down the topics remaining in the syllabus. Note down, we are learning atomic mass and molecular mass, completing today, and also learning today what is mole concept and molar mass. C4, conceptual topic 4. Then you have to learn a percentage composition, empirical and molecular formula, very important from exam point of view. This is also very important from competitive exam point of view. And stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculations. This is also very important topic as far as competitive exam and board exams are concerned. Carefully learn, solve as many problems as possible. Right. Yesterday, in the last class, we were discussing how to calculate molecular mass, right? I think we learnt how to calculate molecular mass given the formula. Some examples we took here. I will take a few more examples. Calculate. Example 1 today. Calculate molecular mass of A, glucose, B, benzene, some organic compounds I am giving, benzene, C, sugar is also called as sucrose. So to write the molecular formula of these organic compounds, glucose is present in grapes. It is also called as grape sugar. Benzene is very pleasant in nature, sweet and pleasant. Later in organic chemistry, you will be learning in detail. Sugar, whatever sugar you are using at home, jaggery or sugar, it consists of sucrose. To find out the molecular mass, what you must know? You must know the formula of them. First of all, you take the formula of glucose. Glucose has the formula C6H12O6. Calculate the molecular mass now. That is molecular weight. Molecular weight can be calculated. How many carbon atoms in it? 6 carbon atoms. And into what is the atomic weight of carbon is 12. Plus 12 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Plus 6 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. You get here 12 6 72 plus 2 plus 16 6 are 96. Remember, very important, again and again questions will appear. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. How many hydrogen atoms are 12. Hydrogen atoms are 12. You get what? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 7 is 8. 180. 180 U. Molecular weight is expressed as U, right? Unified mass. This is the relative molecular mass, molecular weight. And take second one, B. Anybody knows what is the formula of benzene? Do you know molecular formula of benzene? Benzene has molecular formula. Note down if you don't know, it is C6H6. Another important organic compound. Every now and then questions will appear. Have you noted the topics? These are the topics you note down. And we have to work on it. Next week I will complete it. Then you have to give the test. Both subjective and objective. C6H6 molecular weight is equal to, what is the molecular formula of benzene? C6H6. 6 into, what is the atomic mass of carbon? Is 12. U, unified mass. Plus hydrogen is 6 into 1. You can calculate and remember them, by heart them. Very important. You can even take a D also. Urea. Number of times we come across this also. It is also first organic compound prepared in the laboratory. 12 6 are 72 plus 6 ones are 6. 72 plus 6 becomes 78 U. Remember the molecular formula better if you memorize them, so that again and again you need not calculate. They will have the same value. Remember them like you remember the molecular formula. Similarly, remember the molecular weight. As many molecular weights of the compounds you know, your faster will be your calculation. Next, I have given third one, sugar. Sugar consists of sucrose. Sucrose has the formula. Remember, sucrose has the formula C12H22O11. Sucrose. Calculate. This is nothing but sugar. Whenever they ask you sugar, you consider it as sucrose, having the formula C12H22O11. Let us calculate molecular weight of it. How many carbon atoms in it? 12 carbon atoms. 12 carbon atoms multiplied 12 into carbon has got atomic number 12 plus hydrogen atoms are 22. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. You must remember atomic weights of few important elements plus 11 oxygen atoms. 11 into atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Now calculate. 12 12 square is 144 plus 22 ones are 22 plus 11 16 are 16 ones are 16, carry 1, 16 ones are 16 plus 1 is 17. Add them, you will get 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4. Better you go from left to right. Right? You take 100, right? Left to right, 100 plus 200, 300, 300 plus 100, 400. Then you add tens, 440, 460, 460. Add 70 to it. 460, 70 means 530, 534, 536. Calculate 300. Sorry, this is 0, no? Okay. You take 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 10, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 342 unified mass. Remember it. Remember sugar molecular formula, always it will be 342. Memorize them, keep them in mind, make a list and remember them. Once you calculate, next time you use it. That is going to help you in quick calculation in competitive exams. D. because we have to prepare for both things. One is board exam and another one is competitive exam. Board exam is easy, but competitive exam is not easy. Urea, very popular organic compound, first organic compound prepared in the laboratory by Frederick Kohler. Its formula, urea is used as a fertilizer. Its formula is NS2CO NS2, condensed formula. You can write the molecular formula by taking two nitrogen atoms, N2, then one carbon atom, C. How many hydrogen atoms? Oxygen atom is, hydrogen atoms are 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen atoms, H4. How many oxygen atoms? 1 oxygen atom. This will help you to calculate quickly whenever elements are repeated. N2, C, H4, O. Calculate molecular weight of it. Molecular weight of it. Molecular weight is see, nitrogen. What is the atomic weight of nitrogen? Remember them. 14 plus there is one carbon atom, 1 into 12. How many hydrogen atoms? There are 4 hydrogen atoms into 1 plus how many oxygen atoms? Oxygen atoms, 1 atom, therefore 16. You can simplify now. Remember urea molecular formula 14 2s are 28 plus 12 ones are 12 plus 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 16. You can calculate easily. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 38. 38 plus 2 is 40. Plus 16 plus 4 is 20. Like this you calculate 60 unified mass. I hope you understood how to calculate molecular mass of substances. Some organic compounds I have shown you. Clear? Remember them. They are very useful during calculations. Okay. So let us move on to the, before you move on to the more problems, you try to understand. Generally salts will be there. I will take some salts. Salts like sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a salt. Generally sodium chloride does not contain molecules in it. It will contain ions like sodium chloride. You have calcium chloride, CaCl2. It will have Ca plus 2, Cl minus 1. Magnesium oxide, MgO. These are Mg plus 2, O minus 2. Observe here. So whenever you take such compounds are called as ionic compounds. They do not contain molecules in it. Therefore, have a note here, as ionic compounds, have a note, as ionic compounds do not have molecules, their weight is taken as formula weight, not molecular weight. Their weight is not called as molecular weight. Why you are not calling them molecule? Because they do not contain any molecule. They are not called as molecular mass, but called as formula mass. Remember, formula mass, formula weight or formula mass. Underline the word. When the formula mass is calculated, whenever the ionic compounds are there, like calcium chloride, magnesium oxide, or even you can take magnesium chloride. These are all ionic compounds. Later in metals and non-metals, you studied already in the 10th standard. Now calculate, take another question. Calculate formula mass, formula weight of these compounds. A, you can note down names of them. Sodium chloride, given the name, you must be in a position to write the formula. Sodium chloride, we will take calcium chloride, calcium chloride. Simultaneously, you have to prepare for both calcium chloride, C, magnesium oxide. You studied in the 10th standard. Magnesium oxide, and magnesium chloride. Yes, go on writing there. First of all, you must know correct molecular formula. To get the formula weight, you must know the molecular formula. That is, the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. It is not called as molecular formula. It is called as formula of a salt. Calcium chloride, CaCl2. Calling them as molecular formula is meaningless. Therefore, they are called as formula of sodium chloride. Formula of magnesium oxide, not molecular formula because they do not contain molecules. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Yes, calculate them and remember them. They are most commonly used salt. We'll take A. First one is sodium chloride. Write the formula mass, formula weight. Formula weight of sodium chloride can be obtained. How many? One sodium atom is there? 1 into, what is the atomic mass of sodium? I have given you 23. You have to remember them. There is one chlorine atom, 1 into 35.5. We calculated in the last class. 23 ones are 23 plus 35.5. Is that clear? Yes, correct answer. 342 correct answer. Calculate sodium chloride. Increase your speed by doing like this. Decimal part you write. This you add from left right. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 5, 55 plus 3, 58.5 unified mass. Remember AMU. B. You can take calcium chloride. What is calcium chloride formula? CaCl2. First you must know correct formula. Then you must calculate correct molecular weight and at least some very popular compounds, regularly used compounds. You must calculate formula mass. Let me call it as formula weight is equal to calcium 1 atom. What is the atomic mass of calcium? Yesterday, already you have taken it 1. 2 into atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. That is equal to 40 into 1 is 40 plus 35 twos are 70, 5 twos are 10. Therefore, you are getting 71.0. Like this you do. 35 twos are 70. 0.5 into 2, 10. You will get 70 plus 1 becomes 71. Add like this. Improve your mind maths. For that, you can download Vedim's app. There I have talked. Vedim's YouTube channel you can watch. That will teach you speed maths. YouTube channel. Watch it. Then you can, even app is available in the Play Store just for rupees 540. We already made. Please inform your friends also. Ask your friends also to join the live stream. And I will discuss both board paper as well as competitive exam, CET level. 7 plus 4 is 11. The answer is 111 U, unified mass, because they are relative atomic mass. C is magnesium oxide. Similarly, you can calculate magnesium oxide. Check. From the periodic table, you can get atomic mass of magnesium. Formula weight of is equal to 1 atom of magnesium. What is the atomic mass of magnesium? Check it in the periodic table. I remember it. It is 24. Plus oxygen will have atomic mass 16. Calculate 24 plus 16. 36, 40. 36, 40 unified mass. They are all relative atomic masses. I hope you understood when to use the word formula mass. Right? Every concept I will make you clear. I hope you understood why they are called as formula mass, formula weight. Continue D. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. First of all, you must know writing correct formula. Already you done it in the bridge course. Now we are going to next step. Their masses. The formula mass of magnesium chloride. Calculate. Magnesium has got atomic mass. There is one atom of magnesium, 1 into 24. Atomic mass of magnesium, check whether it is 24. From periodic table you can collect them, and at least a few of them you must send to your permanent memory so that your calculation speed will increase, because in competitive exam speed is important. 24 plus again 35 twos are 70, 0.5 twos is 1, 70 plus 1, 71. Like this you must calculate in mind from left to right. You can add now 20 plus 70, 90, 90 plus 5, 95. Like this I have taught tricks of mind maths, right? Watch YouTube, then you can improve for to give the quiz test. You have to download the app. Just for 540 permanently you can download it. Available in the Play Store. If you don't know how to download, you can call me. I will tell you how to download. So that is about the formula mass, right? This completes the topic C3. Okay, before I take some more complicated problems, we will learn mole concept. Next topic. Okay, let me rub this one. What is the mole concept? We'll try to understand. Mole has got multiple meanings. Mole concept is one of the very important concept, C4. Mole concept. Mole concept, very important. Mole concept and molar mass. And molar mass. Molar mass. Remember. See, this particular mole will define first. What is mole is? Mole means the number of particles. Say, if I say 1 mole corresponds to, right? So the number of atoms, actually originally defined as the number of atoms, present in number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. It is experimentally calculated isotope. It is experimentally calculated. This particular number of mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms in it. This number I told you in the last class, named in the honor of Avogadro as Avogadro's number. It is also called as Avogadro's number. Very important. Avogadro's number. And it is represented by the symbol Na. Are you getting me? So this is the mole concept. This mole concept has got multiple meaning, right? So like you have molar mass, 1 mole of any substance, or if you take 1 mole of element, 1 mole of element is take any element, say 1 mole of nitrogen. If you take nitrogen, what is the atomic weight of nitrogen? What is the atomic weight of nitrogen? Atomic weight of nitrogen is 1 mole of nitrogen has got atomic weight. Yes, 14 or 28? 14. 14 in the unified mass you write it as U, but whenever you write molar mass you should write it as gram per mole. Gram per mole, or even you can write it as 14 gram per mole. What is the meaning of it? 1 mole. 1 mole means 14 gram of nitrogen, right? So 1 mole of, in 1 mole, that is 14 grams of nitrogen will be present. Generally, you are expressing gram per mole is called as molar mass. Whenever you express the this particular atomic mass as molar mass, right? nitrogen atom, molar mass of nitrogen atom. Similarly, you can extend it into the compound also, right? You can even calculate 1 mole of molar mass of, better you can take molar, calculate. I will give examples. Calculate, calculate molar mass of, molar mass of, molar mass of, molar mass of, molar mass of carbon dioxide A. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, I will give the names, you write the formula. Carbon dioxide B, sulfur dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Even this mole concept can be extended to this also, sulfur dioxide, right? See, even if you can extend this mole concept to compounds also, not only for the elements. Calculate the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Molar mass means the 1 mole of nitrogen atom. It is also called as gram atom, right? 14 gram atoms are present in 1 mole. Means 1 mole of nitrogen consists of 14 grams. Means it contains how many atoms? It means that it contains 14 gram of nitrogen, contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of nitrogen. That is the meaning of it. Calculate molar mass of carbon dioxide. You can take carbon dioxide. Like you calculated molecular weight, you can calculate molar mass of carbon dioxide. Molar mass of carbon dioxide. Molar mass of carbon dioxide is given. How many atoms is there? 1 atom is there. Each atom will have the mass what? 12 gram. Because you are expressing gram per mole. Whenever you express molar, you have to take the grams. Oxygen will have 2 into 16 grams. Same unified mass is expressed, when expressed in mole, it is called as gram per mole. It is called as molar mass. That is the difference between molecular weight or relative unified mass and the mass expressed in grams. 12 gram into 1 is 12 gram plus 16 2s are 32 gram. What is the total value? 30 plus 1, 10. 10 is 44 gram per mole. Is called as molar mass. When you express in relative mass, it will be 44 U only. Same 44 unified mass is expressed in gram per mole. I hope you understood the concept of mole. The concept of mole will not stop at this stage, right? Mole has got different meanings here. Formula to calculate number of moles. See, we'll see few more problems. Another carbon dioxide, I think I have given sulfur dioxide. B, you calculate sulfur dioxide, very regularly used compound. Molar mass of SO2. Molar mass of SO2. Calculate. What is the atomic mass of sulfur in grams? That is 1 atom. Sulfur has got atomic mass in gram is 32 grams plus 2 into S. How many oxygen atoms are here? That is 16 grams. Each atomic expressed in grams is 16 grams. You get 32 grams plus 16 2s are 32 grams. You get 64 grams per mole. It is called as molar mass. When you express it in unified mass, it will be relative number. Actually, it is a relative number, but when you express in mole concept, it is expressed in gram per mole. It is called as molar mass. There is a difference between molar mass and atomic mass. Now we'll see few problems on molar mass. Okay, see here. Let us solve few problems on it, on a molar mass. Take one example on it. Calculate calculate mass of 2.5 gram atoms of magnesium. Calculate mass of 2.5 gram atoms. It is expressed as gram atoms of magnesium. Look at here. It is also atomic weight expressed in gram is called as gram atoms. Magnesium is the question. May appear for 1 mark or 2 mark. How do you calculate this? Mass of 2.5 gram atoms of magnesium. How can you do this? The solution is like this. See, 1 gram atom of magnesium is 1 gram, like it has atomic weight expressed in grams. 1 gram atomic weight, 1 gram atom of magnesium is equal to how many grams of magnesium? What is the atomic weight of magnesium? Relative is 24. You can call it as 24 gram. Means this is the same as molar mass of magnesium, gram atom, 24 grams. What you are asked to calculate? You are asked to calculate 2.5 gram atoms of magnesium. Are you getting me? 2.5 gram atoms of magnesium. How can you calculate? 24. Calculate the mass of 2.5 gram atoms of magnesium. Right? 1 gram atom, 1 gram of magnesium will have the mass equal to how many grams? 24 grams. Then 2.5 grams of magnesium will have mass how much? Are you getting me? So therefore you can calculate it as that is how can you calculate? Therefore mass of 1 gram atom of magnesium contains 24 gram. 2.5 grams of magnesium contains how many gram atoms or mole? How many gram atoms? Okay, 2.5 gram atoms of magnesium, 2.5 gram atoms of magnesium. 1 gram atom of magnesium means 1 mole, you can say, contains 24 gram. 2.5 gram of magnesium contains how many grams? Yes. How can you calculate? The number of gram atoms, the number of gram atoms is equal to in a 2.5 grams. Now what you can do? The ratio 1ಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ 2.5 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀರಿ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. 24 into you have to multiply it with what? 2.5 gram atoms. You can calculate now. You can neglect the decimal point, multiply the 25 fours are 100, carry 10. 25 twos are 50 plus 100 is 60. You will get here 60 gram atoms. You can say 2.5 gram atoms will have 60 gram atoms, right? Now this particular mole concept with respect to atomic mass, right? Mole concept, this is a mole concept is nothing but gram atoms. So mole can be calculated given the mass, that is a mass divided by the 1 mole of element. 1 mole means gram atom of element. 1 mole of number of moles, better, number of moles of elements, number of moles of elements is equal to mass of the element divided by gram atomic mass In short, you can write number of moles is given by W upon capital M. Capital M is called as molar mass. Now it is atomic mass, therefore you can write A. N is equal to W upon A is one of the formula to calculate number of moles. Number of moles is nothing but gram atoms. Use this shortcut formula. N is equal to mass upon atomic mass. If you calculate, you will get number of moles. Number of moles is nothing but what? Number of gram atoms. Okay, fine. I will give another example. Calculate. Take second example. Calculate number of moles, number of gram atoms or moles in 90 gram of water. 90 gram of water. 90 gram of water. So, solution. What is the formula to calculate number of moles or gram atomic masses? Is given by mass of the substance divided by molecular mass. Whenever you take water is what? Water is a compound. Compound will have what? Molecular mass. Right? In that case, the formula becomes weight of the substance. You can write mass divided by, if it is a compound, mass divided by molecular weight or molar mass. N is given by mass is W. We'll write it as capital M. Capital M stands for M in case of compounds. This is in case one is element. Whenever you are given with a calculation of number of moles of element, you can use this one. And whenever you take the compound, formula to calculate number of moles in case of the compound or molecule will be W upon molecular mass. Now, what is given here? What is W given here? Weight is 90 gram. Water is there. What you are given with? Water. What is the molecular mass of water? Molecular mass of water is already, you have taken 2 into 1 plus 16. You are getting what? 16 grams. Sorry, 18 grams molecular weight. What mass is given here? 90 grams. You can substitute. What is the mass? That is the W is given as 90 grams. How can you calculate number of gram atoms or number of moles? Number of moles can be calculated by dividing 90 divided by 18. You can calculate 18 ones are 18 5s are 90. Therefore, you can say that it consists of how many moles? 5 moles. 90 grams of water. 90 grams of water contains how many moles? 5 moles. Second formula, remember, in case of molecular weight, to calculate mole concept, number of moles is nothing but what? Number of molecular weights, gram molecular weights. And in short, we call it as the number of moles is applicable to element, compound, electrons, for anything. Okay. That is the second problem. Now, I will give you another problem. Example 3. I will ask you a simple question. Calculate number of atoms present in, calculate number of moles, right? Number of moles of number of moles of 3.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of hydrogen. How can you calculate it? Calculate number of moles of 3.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. You remember another formula, right? 1 mole of hydrogen consists of how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. You remember, we are going to get another formula to calculate number of moles. 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms is equal to 6.022 ಅಥವಾ 1 mole of hydrogen means gram atomic weight of hydrogen 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Now, how can you calculate a number of moles given number of atoms? The formula to calculate number of moles is N is equal to, right? So number of atoms of elements, that is number of atoms of elements, number of atoms of element divided by 6.R Na. What is Na? Is Avogadro number, means 1 mole. Now in this, how many number of hydrogen atoms are given? 3.022 into 10 raised to 23. 3.022 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 10 raised to 23, 10 raised to 23 cancels. You divide 3.022 by 6.022. You can use a simple calculator have with you because you need for calculations. Clear? Try to calculate. You can divide now. 3.022 divided by 6.022 is equal to 0.5. You will get 0.5 mole. Are you getting me? Even you can say 0.5018 or round it off at 502 mole. That is the meaning of it. Number of moles means gram atomic mass, right? Is that clearer to you? In question bank, where is the question bank? Which question bank you are talking about? In the textbook, no? Are you telling in the textbook? I will solve that also. I have large number of the question banks here. You take this question. Take this question. Calculate. I have large number of questions. You don't worry. I have large number of questions. Thousands of questions I have. More than 1,000 books here. You don't worry. Take example 4. Try this one. Calculate the number of moles in each of the following. Calculate number of moles. Try this one. Number of moles in each of the following. You send me your difficult questions in the WhatsApp group. I will solve them also. I will solve my own questions of different level. Calculate a number of moles in each of the following. Just now I have given 3 formula. Remember this also. N is given by number of atoms of elements divided by Na. I have given you 3 formula to calculate the number of moles. First one, 11 gram of carbon dioxide. Try this one. Second one, 3.01 into 10 raised to 22 molecules of carbon dioxide. I have still deeper questions. You don't worry. 3.01 into 10 raised to 22 molecules of carbon dioxide. Third one, 1.12 liter of carbon dioxide at STP. Look at here, another interesting thing come here. You have already given atomic mass. Mole concept is applicable everywhere. You have to catch hold of this concept. All the formulae you list at one place in a separate slip. You remember, mole has got a different formula. What are the different formula of mole we studied is, one is the number of moles is given by, in case of element, in case of atomic weight is given. The formula is W upon atomic weight. Okay. Second, in case of molecular weight is given, you have to calculate number of moles using the formula W upon M. Have this diagram. This will help you. In case of number of atoms are given, number of atoms or molecules are given, the number of moles is given by, right, number of atoms or molecules divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms or molecules. Remember this formula. Atoms or molecules. You can write it as N is equal to capital N of element or compound, number of molecules of atoms or molecules divided by Na. In short, you can remember this formula. Number of atoms of element or number of molecules of the compound divided by number of Avogadro number of atoms or molecules. If you divide, you will get number of moles. See, third one is asked in volume. 1 mole of any gas at occupy, that is called as molar volume. Have you noted this question? First of all, we will solve these two, then I will come to fourth formula. In a separate slip, you note down this. I will join here. If volume is given, volume at STP is given. Number of moles is given by volume at STP divided by 22 volume in a liter at STP divided by 22.4 liter. This is called as molar volume. Or it is called as molar volume. Remember, have a note. What is STP? Standard temperature and pressure. Right? Generally, standard temperature and pressure is taken as 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin. Pressure is taken as 1 Pascal. That is 1 atmosphere. Standard temperature and pressure or 101,325 Pascal. 1 atmosphere is 101,325 Pascal is taken as standard temperature and pressure. 0 degree centigrade and 1 atmosphere is taken as standard conditions when it is given in atmosphere. I will come to this. Molar volume. What is molar volume is? Molar volume is 1 mole of any gas at STP, 1 mole of any substance in gaseous state. In a gaseous state occupies it is called as volume in liter, occupies 22.4 liter at STP. Remember, andra 22.4 liter andra 1 mole. 22.4 liter ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 mole. VL liter ಅಂದ್ರೆ V liter ಅಂದ್ರೆ how many moles? Given by volume of the gas in a liter at STP divided by molar volume. What is molar volume? Is 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liter. Based on this, you can calculate all the three very easily. Is that clear? Question bank. Sir, in question bank, which question bank you are telling? I don't know. I have got hundreds of question banks here. You send me in WhatsApp group from which question bank, which doubts you have. Better you send me doubts in the question bank instead of sending, because I have too many. I am in the library only. I have got thousands of books up to degree level. You don't worry about questions. Which question in question bank you have doubts, you send me in the WhatsApp group. I will solve them in the classroom. Okay? Right? I will clear your doubts. Or you come on Sunday in Gadag between 2 to 3. I will be available to clear your doubts. Bring those who are from Gadag, you can bring your doubt slips. They are between 2 to 3. I have sent in the group workshop on Sunday, coming Sunday, day after tomorrow. Let us calculate. You can meet me and talk there. Now let us continue. First one. What is first one? 11 gram of carbon dioxide. This is a compound. Then what is the formula of number of moles? What you are given with? That is the mass of carbon dioxide is given. What is the mass of carbon dioxide is given? 11 grams. When mass is given. So what is the formula? Number of moles. Number of moles is given by W upon molecular weight of carbon dioxide. What is the molecular weight? Weight of carbon dioxide upon what is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide? Just now you got it as 44 grams. You have to remember such, they will not change. Carbon dioxide 44 grams. Just now we calculated. You can calculate number of moles very easily. What is the mass here? 11. 11 grams is the mass of the carbon dioxide given to you. What is the molar mass? 44 grams. 11 ones are, 11 fours are, 1 by 4 mole. 1 by 4 can be written as 0 point. Then it becomes what? 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are. That is 0.25 mole will be the answer. I hope you applied the one of the formula. Second question. I got a variety of questions. Number of question banks up to NEET JEE level. You don't worry. There is no shortage of question banks with me. Shortage of students learning. They are not ready to learn. That is the problem. Invite your friends from the college and ask them to join. You are alone joining. You bring your friends so that you will get good friends. They will also get. Now this time what is given? Note down what is given. You are given with 3.01 into 10 raised to 22 molecules. You are given with what? Number of molecules you are given with. Do you agree with me? Number of molecules you are given with of carbon dioxide you are given with. How many number of molecules? That is 3.01 into 10 raised to 22. 3.01 into 10 raised to 22. Which formula you are using? 10 raised to 23 molecules. Now, to solve this, which formula you are using? You are using the formula N is equal to, tell me which formula you are using. So, number of molecules divided by Na. What is Na is? Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? You tell me. When a number of molecules are given, Avogadro number of molecules. Now you calculate the number of molecules. See, what is the number? 3.01 into 10 raised to 22 molecules It is just a number divided by Avogadro number is 6.02. You can take into 10 raised to 23. Observe carefully. 3.01 ones are 3.01 twos are. What do you get here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 becomes 0.5 into 10 raised to 22. What is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is? Is it not a raised to m minus n? Law of indices. You will get 22 minus 23. Are you getting me? Second problem. You are getting now 0.5 into 10 raised to 22 minus 23. See the sign of bigger number, therefore it becomes minus 1. Whenever you want to take shift the decimal point to the left, I taught you in the scientific notation. You have to shift left, right? This is nothing but what? This is nothing but 0.5. 10 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 10. More easily speaking, 0.5 upon 10 means you have to shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. 0.05 mole. MOL, symbol for mole. You are asked to calculate number of moles. Means these many atoms, 3.01 into 10 raised to 22 molecules means how many moles? 0.05 moles. Last one. Today. Next one you will see. You send me your difficult questions. I will solve them. Therefore, I am inviting workshops. I have sent a workshop for PUC1 between 2 to 3 special workshop. You can bring your friends of your college who are close to you, and it is free. Free workshop I am conducting just to teach them number of moles. This time what you are given with? You are given with volume at STP. Volume at STP. Volume of carbon dioxide at STP is given. What is the volume of carbon dioxide gas? STP is given as 1.12 liter they have given. Now, what is the formula when volume in STP is given? Just now I have given you N is equal to volume of carbon dioxide at STP divided by molar volume divided by molar volume is taken as V0, which is a 22.4 liter. You can convert it into different units. What is the volume given? 1.12 divided by 22.4. Now, whenever you come across a decimal point, you remember a trick I will teach you. To eliminate after 2 places, if you remove this decimal point, you have to take 2 zeros. Here there is 1 decimal point, you have to take 1 zero in the numerator. Now decimal points are cancelled. Now cancel 0, 0. 112 ones are, 112 twos are. You will get 1 by 20. How do you express 1 by 20 as? You can write it as 1 by 2 into 1 by 10. Is it not 20? 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 1 upon 10 means divided by 10. Again you are getting 0.05 mole. See, all the 3 cases we calculated number of moles. I hope the concepts are clear at you. Concepts are clear at you. That's all for today. And Sunday, those who are Gadag students, you can come to me at between 2 to 3. You have doubt clearance classes. You can personally meet me. Right? In Gadag, I have sent the address. ಉಚಿತ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಲಾಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 to 3 PUC1 3 to 4 PUC2 then I must get ready and return back to Dharwad. Therefore be sharp 10 minutes before 2 o'clock. PUC1 students, you can come there 1 hour. You can stay with me. You can bring your friends there, right? So there in chemistry solutions, in the mathematics sets, and even relations and functions. If you have got any doubts, bring them. We'll discuss there. We'll meet there, right? Go and bring more students there in the Gadag, and even ask your friends also to join. If you like the Lok-G, technically powered by Vedims, these classes, live classes, and even I will take test also, multiple choice test also. After completion of the one chapter, there will be a test, both subjective 20 marks, objective 30 marks. Two tests will be there, and the test will be discussed in a special session. Okay, that's all today, my dear students. We'll meet. I will inform you whether I am taking, I am setting up the studio in Gadag. Mostly it may start. If everything is set up there, I will send you a message. Join me in Gadag only. From Gadag only, I will come live and continue the maths class tomorrow. Saturday classes I want to start from tomorrow. Okay, we'll see how the things will go Saturday. Otherwise, Sunday I will be available between 2 to 3 for PUC 1, between 3 to 4 for PUC 2. Any PUC 1, PUC 2 students are there. Between 10 to 11, between 10 to 11, there is Vedic Maths Speed workshop for all, 5th to 12th. Any students can come. 11 to 12 for class 10, state CBSE students can come and clarify the doubts. Which chapter doubts I have clearly given in the poster. You can see there, and meet me personally. Bring your parents also, friends also, so that there is a big hall which can accommodate 100 students. Right, everything is ready, well set up there. Okay, bye bye. See you on Sunday at 2 o'clock. Bye bye.